thanks for clicking through on our ad today. We have a 21 Lexus UX300 full electric, black with only 24,000 miles on it. Lovely chrome exterior, contrasting with the metallic black. Very clean. Inside you have the sports seats, full leather. As I say, only 24,000 odd miles on it. Has a range of about 280 on a full charge. So, give us a ring if you have an interest in this. Nick here in First Choice Autos. As I say, thanks again. We'll talk to you soon. Cheers.